Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick. So today's video is about the simple braids. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this braids, and if you want to know how I achieve this hair, please keep on watching this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like and share, and also tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section. Thank you guys so much, and without wasting your time, let's get right into this video.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.
So I'm gonna be using Dali Superstar as always. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the hair into two parts. Then I'm going to stretch it. I actually use this packet for my hair, and I didn't want anything that is too heavy or too much. I just want something light and weightless, so I use only this packet for my hair.
And I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want.
So after sectioning my hair, I'm going to take this amount of extension. I'm going to start braiding the hair with that. So as I proceed, I'm going to continue adding more and more extensions.
To always be, to always be. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
I'm finally done with the front. It took me 3 hours to do the front of this hair. Now I'm going to move on to the back. I'm going to be doing single braids at the back of my hair.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay.
So this is all for this video, and please don't forget to share, like and comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.